Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. After days and days of rain and extremely high winds, today we have some sunshine. And that's going to give me an opportunity to get down to the boats and get them pumped out. Plus, get, I guess you would call it a garden shed made for Michelle. She's been wanting one, so today I'm going to at least get the materials together to provide her a spot to house all of her gardening supplies. And we'll show you how I accomplish that if I get it done today. But right now it's take care of the boats and get them pumped out, because I am sure there's water in them. Well, like I said, we've had a lot of rain, and the Achilles here is got a little bit of water in it. And so does Michelle's boat. So, got to get in here and get this pumped out.
Hey, puppies. Okay, ladies, it's time to talk chainsaws. Now, we do have an Ego chainsaw that's battery operated and works great. Even little old me can handle it, but it doesn't work so great in the wintertime when it's frigid. We have this 20-inch Husqvarna, and we have an 18-inch Stihl. Or is it Stihl? Stihl?
Stihl.
Stihl. This one is an MS211C. Now I'm doing this video because I'm so tickled that I have a chainsaw I can actually start. Just so you can see how difficult it is for me to start a chainsaw. Normally, this is the one my husband uses. Choke, it's on. Yeah, all right. Press this here little bubble thing. Get its fuel in there. And actually I can't start it with gloves, so. Ooh, almost had that one. So you see, this took a few tries to get started. Now, my pride and joy here. There. Watch this. I just wanted to show everyone that this one is so much easier to start. It only took a couple pulls on it because there's a recoil starter in it, and that makes it easier than pulling this, which my husband can explain it better, but does not have a recoil start, and it requires a lot of strength generally to pull this. Now we have to go cut something down. All right, so This pretty thing here has to go because this is basically where we're going to put our greenhouse. I've checked the lean of the tree and I know pretty much where it's going to go. At the most, it might get caught up on a tree, but it's got a nice wide open space to fall into. And that is an awesome chainsaw. Now the Husqvarna, even though it didn't take as many tries as it has in the past for me to start it, it is much, much heavier. This is really nice, and I was able to take down this tree by myself without having to ask my honey to come help me. And we're set to go. I highly recommend this chainsaw. It's awesome.
Well, the other project that got accomplished today was steps for her storage shed. Michelle, being of short stature, really likes it when the steps are kind of close to each other and they're easily accessed. But this is somewhat temporary, but it should serve her purpose in being able to get in and out to her canning supplies. There will be some posts and handrail on this for later in the year when it starts sleeting and snowing and gets really yucky around here. And in an upcoming video, we will be kind of going over our composting setup. This we've pretty much gotten the idea for it off of YouTube and watching numerous videos as to how most folks do it using the pallet system. So we do have it started. Michelle will be going, well, she'll be doing a video on this in the near future.